the movie Aakhri Rasta. How many of you have not watched the movie? I think you must have missed something. It's not like Sean or Don. It's not like blockbuster movie, but the movie has been made in such a way that it will e- even entertain the public as well as teach you also a lesson. It's about David, who was a gullible person, and he was very fond of his people around. And especially there was, he has also, Sadashiv Amrapurkar has enacted the role quite well. He has done a good job in the movie, and he's a political figure with whom, where he has employed David at his place. And David is totally blind towards him. Anupam Kher has really done a good job, enacted the role of his friend. And Jayaprada married Amitabh Bachchan David in spite of knowing that he's not educated, he's not rich. Jaya, on the other hand, was quite rich, educated, sophisticated lady, and she fell in love, she tied the knot. And then what happened after Sadashiv's eyed her once he just catches a glimpse of her, and he is like not in his senses, he just raped her, and because of which David was accused of it by these influential people, and he had to languish in jail for 24 long years. That is something which I didn't like, because once you commit a crime, it's fine. You don't even commit a crime and you are languishing in jail just because few people can have the power to actually put you behind bars and accuse you. And when he comes out, he swears to take revenge. But you only tell me one thing, 24 years they enjoyed in spite of committing such a crime, and then one by one he takes revenge. That's the best part of the movie. And the young Amitabh Bachchan, Jayaprada's son, is again the same look-alike, and he's a cop. Anupam Kher actually put him in the police services, and he had actually he had promised David that he will make him a criminal, hardcore criminal, so that he can take avenge the deeds of these three. But instead of doing that, he became a cop, and very honest cop. So David took the onus. He actually took revenge from all three of them, and one by one, all three of them died. That's the best part of the movie. Sridevi has enacted the role of his girlfriend and eventually wife. Must watch, 5 stars.